with Etude House on a very special mission. So the reason why I'm in Korea is because I was chosen as the local brand ambassador representing Singapore, and we are here for the launch of the Better Lips Talk lipsticks. Etude House is gonna be launching 60 Better Lips Talk shades in stores. It's gonna come in stores on the 1st of May and on Lazada on the 25th of April. It's very special and it's a very big milestone for me because I actually got to choose this Singapore shade. This is the MONG shade. Okay, we are calling it the MONG shade for the rest of the video because I wanted to make it super easy for you guys, and this is the shade that I'm wearing today. It's PK003 Gentle Pink. There are 60 different shades in this range as of now because the full collection is gonna be 100 shades, like 100 shades. Wow. Every skin tone, every color, every finish, whatever you want, you name it, you can have it. Today I'm just gonna be sharing with you guys all 60 shades. Ta-da! They just passed this to us over dinner yesterday and it's all full 60 shades in here. I'm very excited. I actually got to preview it already and swatch it on my hands. I just really like it. Let me just talk about my shade that I chose. It's PK003 Gentle Pink. Once again, I chose it because I just really love the color. I feel like it just brightens up my entire skin tone. It is a very gorgeous formula. You can see how creamy and pigmented it is. It has a slight sheen to it, but if you have dry lips, you are gonna love this because it's gonna be very hydrating. It is not too shiny. It lasts really long. The color is so pigmented. It really is a new and better improved formula from their previous Dear My Blooming Lips Top lipstick collection. So this one is called Better Lips Top, which is better! This is PK003 Gentle Pink, which we are calling the MONG shade because I chose it for us, for Singaporeans. And for me, I have a pretty average Singaporean skin tone, pretty light to medium skin tone. So I feel that this color is very suitable if you're fair, if you're slightly tan. It just really helps to give you a very bright complexion. It makes you look a lot more sweet and gentle. You can dab it on very lightly for an everyday MLBB look, or you can go in full on. As you can see, it's really pigmented. And the best part is there are 60 different shades in the entire collection for you to choose from. Actually, a tip for you guys to kind of very accurately and very quickly know what shade you're getting and what color family they belong to is to see the first two alphabets. So PK stands for pink, RD stands for red, BE stands for beige, BR stands for brown, and OR stands for orange. You can mix and match. They're gonna be in stores on the 1st of May, and you're gonna be seeing a really exciting campaign visual that I came to Korea for. We just shot it yesterday and it is so beautiful. I can't review too much to you guys yet, so if you want to check that out, you gotta go down to the stores and just check it out. I'm representing Singapore, my country, and I'm very proud to represent PK003 Gentle Pink, which is the MONG shade. You guys can also use the hashtag BetterWithMONG or Better Lips Talk on Instagram to go and see like the rest of the campaign and also how other people are wearing it. I love this shade and I hope you guys will support it. So without further ado, let's move in with the swatches. This one is the PK003 Gentle Pink, and I'm just gonna apply it on the inner corners. Very, very hydrating, very pigmented. This pink is actually very, very complementary to the entire look. How do you guys like it? Bye! Today I'm gonna be layering it with RD303. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This entire launch means so much to me, you guys, and it really wouldn't have been possible without your support. I'm gonna be having a special 30% off gift bundle set where it's gonna be sold exclusively on Lazada, where you'll be able to get the PK003 Gentle Pink, which is my shade, together along with 2 other shades that I've picked out for you guys. You're gonna get a card to show all of the shades available, and these sets will be sold at 30% discount. I hope you guys will enjoy the entire gift set that I have prepared for you. Don't forget to catch the launch of the Better Lips Talk lipsticks from Etude House on Lazada, happening on the 25th of April. That's gonna be a pre-launch because the full entire range is gonna be in stores from 1st May onwards. And only in the retail stores you'll be able to get the full 60 colors. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys will support the Singapore shade and like the Singapore shade that I have picked up for you guys. I really love it. I'll see you guys in my next video.